At number 5. Capture every special moment in the lifelike quality it deserves and have a great time doing it. With its included zoom lens, the new ultra-compact AF SDX Sneaker 18 to 55mm f/3.5 to 5.6 GVR2, the D3300 is a small, easy-to-use HD SLR. Capture beautiful 24.2MP photos and 1080p Full HD videos with vibrant colors and softly blurred backgrounds, then share them instantly with your compatible smartphone and the optional WU1A wireless adapter. Whether you're recreating high-resolution panoramas, adding fun special effects or recording dazzling HD video with sound, the D3300 will bring you endless joy, excitement and memories just like the special moments of your life. Life is full of surprising, joyful moments worth remembering. The D3300 makes it fun and easy to preserve those moments in the lifelike beauty they deserve. Stunning 24.2MP photos and 1080p Full HD videos with tack-sharp details, vibrant colors and softly blurred backgrounds. With its included zoom lens, the new ultra-compact AF SDX Sneaker 18 to 55mm f/3.5 to 5.6 GVR2, the D3300 is a small and light HD SLR and easy to use, too. Like sharing photos? The D3300 photos can appear instantly on your compatible smartphone or tablet for easy sharing with the optional WU1A wireless adapter. Whether you're creating high-resolution panoramas, adding artistic special effects or recording HD video with sound, the D3300 will bring you endless joy, excitement and memories, just like the special moments of your life. Taking snapshots with a smartphone is convenient, but are those photos good enough for preserving precious moments? The D3300's new Expect 4 lets you shoot at high speeds up to 5 frames per second, shoot in low light with high ISO sensitivity, create high-resolution panoramas and much more. Your 24.2MP photos and 1080p Full HD videos will be so impressive, so rich with detail and color, so lifelike, they'll bring back the feelings of the moments they capture. At number 4. 2. Lightweight, fun and easy to use, the Canon EOS Rebel SL2 camera helps you capture stunning photos and videos you'll love to see and share. With powerful features including a 24.2MP CMOS, APS-C, sensor, dual-pixel CMOS AF and more, the EOS Rebel SL2 puts creative power in your hands. A fantastic 24.2MP CMOS, APS-C, sensor delivers superb image quality, brilliant detail and dynamic colors. The Digic 7 image processor ensures quick operation and high-quality results. The EOS Rebel SL2 camera can focus quickly and precisely in live view or when using the viewfinder. An optical viewfinder can be used with the 9-point AF system for sharp shots captured in an instant. With phase detection, the EOS Rebel SL2 camera's dual-pixel CMOS AF system is swift and accurate. You can record incredibly smooth video at Full HD quality and at up to 60 FPS to create vlogs with a professional flair. The built-in microphone helps capture great audio while a port for an external microphone is included for more recording options. The Easy Access Wi-Fi button allows you to swiftly set up your Wi-Fi connection. NFC and Bluetooth are also built in to give you plenty of options to connect to your compatible smartphone or share your favorite photos and video quickly and easily on other devices. The EOS Rebel SL2 camera features an optical viewfinder to help you compose your images, especially in bright sunlight that can make it difficult to effectively use the LCD screen. The optical viewfinder also lets you use the camera's high-speed autofocus to capture dramatic movements and action. Canon's compact EOS Rebel SL2 provides versatile built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity plus key camera features like a newly developed 24.2MP APS-C Canon CMOS image sensor paired with Canon's Digic 7 image processor, resulting in Rebel series firsts such as dual-pixel CMOS AF for smooth and accurate autofocus and a high-resolution touchscreen monitor that supports both Touch AF and Touch Shutter Release functionality. At number 3. A day is just like any other day. For you, every day is unique. Only you can capture your story as you see it. Every moment is a memory waiting to be captured. The Fujifilm X-T100 is your companion in everyday life, letting you document your day through photography. Fujifilm X-T100 has the essential elements to make all aspects of your pictures look special: natural skin tone, beautiful color reproduction, low noise and poor light, and excellent edge-to-edge resolution. You can trust exceptional images will be produced thanks to Fujifilm's technology, which is established from over 80 years in the photo industry. Fujifilm X-T100 is equipped with an APS-C-sized image sensor which is 14 times larger than the sensor inside conventional smartphones. This is essential for capturing better quality images in low light and creating beautiful background defocus effect known as bokeh. The high-performance EVF in the retro body allows you to compose your photographs clearly even in bright sunshine. This experience is the true feeling of photography. Only an electronic viewfinder allows you to see exactly what your final result will be before you take the picture. The 3.0-inch LCD monitor is able to flip horizontally and tilt vertically and also has touchscreen capability. The horizontal flip is essential for taking self-portraits in both stills and video modes. The vertical tilt is useful when you want to take pictures low down or up above. With the addition of touch control and self-timer modes, Fujifilm X-T100 has a variety of shooting options. Replicate the look of classic films with a variety of Fujifilm's unique film simulations modes. You can trust exceptional images will be produced thanks to Fujifilm's technology, which is established from over 80 years in the photo industry. Add an artistic touch without the need of a computer and bring out the best side of your subject with in-camera advanced filters. Capture the world around you in ultra-high definition with 4K movie, bringing the atmosphere and emotion of a scene to life. High resolution, high-speed continuous shooting lets you record fast-moving objects. Choose the best shot from the 15 frames taken in a second. You can pair the Fujifilm X-T100 to a compatible smartphone or tablet using Bluetooth for seamless transfer of your images so they can easily be shared with friends. The Fujifilm X-T100 offers a variety of body colors such as dark silver, black, and champagne gold and follows the familiar design of the popular X-T series from Fujifilm, offering 3 control dials on the top cover. With its portability, lightweight 448 grams, body and retro styling, the Fujifilm X-T100 can be taken anywhere and everywhere in your daily life. Change your shooting mode quickly using the conventional mode dial. Select from SR+, Program Auto, Aperture Priority, Shutter Priority or Fully Manual. The function dial allows adjustment of the shooting settings. In the default setting, the dial is automatically assigned to the best options for each shooting mode. In combination with rich X-mount genuine lens lineup incorporated with Fujinen's unique optical technology, including small and light electronic zoom lens XC1545mm f3.5 to 5.6 OIS PZ capable of minimum working distance of just 5 cm, Fujifilm X-T100 corresponds any photographic category and subject with outstanding image quality. The 26 lenses of rich lens lineup covers wide focal length from 15mm to 1200mm, 35mm format equivalent, both with zoom lenses, realizing compactness and high image quality, and prime lenses with bright aperture and beautiful defocusing effect. Multi-focus mode adds multiple images together to generate a sharp image with amazingly deep depth of field. Advanced SR Auto mode recognizes the scene and the subject you are looking at and automatically optimizes camera setting and focus. It lets you take the best photos possible with minimal effort. The flash automatically adjusts the amount of light released according to your scenes, letting you take natural-looking photographs. At number 2. Creativity with a premium mirrorless DSLR that's focused on speed. Every artistic shot you take, from fast action to candid, benefits from 24.3 MP detail and the world's fastest autofocus 6. For capturing crucial moments that go by in a blink, the A6000 can shoot 11 photos in 1 second. It's compact and easy to use, too. 2 quick access dials let you change settings on the fly. Very intuitive. The Alpha 6000 is a super compact mirrorless camera that's about half the size and weight of a typical DSLR, yet it has the same size APS-C image sensor as most DSLRs. The interchangeable lenses and E-mount system make the Alpha 6000 more versatile than almost any other camera on the market. Never miss the moment. The Alpha 6000 captures 11 FPS frames per second in continuous shooting mode with AF, autofocus, tracking by making the most of the wide area 179-point phase detection AF sensor. Even when dealing with fast action, the Alpha 6000's superb moving subject tracking performance ensures you get a great shot during still or video capture. Get incredible detail and gorgeous enlargements thanks to the newly developed 24.3 megapixel Exmor APS HD CMOS image sensor. It's higher resolution than most DSLRs and adopts the same gapless on-chip lens structure as the Alpha 7R for ultimate image quality and light sensitivity. With 20% higher sensitivity than the Nex 7 due to the newly developed Exmor CMOS sensor and Bions X processor, you get stunning detail and in low light from ISO range 100 to 25,000. And for an additional burst of light, the Alpha 6000 features a pop-up flash and a standard hot shoe for additional flash accessories. At number 1. Photographer to know a great photo when you see one. And you don't need to be a photographer to take a great photo, you just need the D3500. It's as easy to use as a point and shoot, but it takes beautiful DSLR photos and videos that get noticed. It feels outstanding in your hands, sturdy and balanced with controls where you want them. It's compact, durable and versatile, ideal for travel. And it works seamlessly with compatible smartphones, making it easier than ever to share your great photos. Even if you've never picked up a DSLR camera, you can take beautiful pictures with D3500. Take more memorable images. The photos you take with the D3500 capture more than the moment, they capture the feeling of the moment, a feeling that can be shared immediately with your friends and family and then relived for a lifetime. If you can take a picture with your smartphone, you can take a great picture with the D3500. Auto mode delivers amazing results in nearly any situation. If you want to learn while you shoot, turn on guide mode and follow simple on-screen guidance. The D3500 is fast, responsive and simple to use. You won't be stuck fussing with camera controls while a great moment passes you by. Just point, shoot and share amazing photo after photo. The D3500 simply feels great in your hands. It's lightweight and balanced, even with a telephoto lens attached. Each button and dial is carefully placed for comfort and ease of use, and the menu system is simple and intuitive. The D3500 2-lens kit includes 2 matched lenses to help you cover all the angles. The AF-PDX Sneaker 18 to 55mm f/3.5 to 5.6 GVR lens is great for portraits, landscapes, videos and other wide perspective shots. The AF-PDX Sneaker 70 to 300mm f/4.5 to 6.3 GED is a versatile telephoto zoom lens that's great for sports, concerts, nature and more.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.